What's going on, you guys? In today's video we are going to be working on the S10. We got Noah here.
Hi, Dad.
We got a few parts. I kind of just got here and got started. Took the GoPro off the charger and show you what we're working with here. So the truck had a check engine light on, and I just barely read the codes. I already bought all the parts, but I just basic maintenance stuff. And yeah, this is just a code we got right here. And the P0440 code, it's for the evaporating system, the evap system. And on the evap system, for those of you that know, it captures the fuel vapors or whatever. And yeah, so I remember recently somebody stole my gas cap, so we're missing a gas cap, so that would be the reason for the code. So I went ahead and got it, and this time I got one that locks. It's a smart locking fuel cap, stant locking fuel cap. I don't know why I said smart. I read smart when I seen it. And we're gonna have Noah's gonna go put it on.
I'm gonna go figure
Put it
out
on,
how to
baby.
put this on.
Go ahead, put it on.
Let them see it first.
Let them see it first. Okay, go ahead. Whew. Man, I'm out of breath.
That? How does it go?
It goes to the right. You gotta put it in there first. Yep, see how it's in there now? You gotta take the key out though. Take the key out. See? Now tighten it up till it clicks. Okay, there we go. Tight.
What is this for?
That I think you're supposed to like wrap it in there and open up the box. Look at the box. Look in there.
There's
I think you gotta take one of those out.
there's
And,
screws in here.
yeah, take them out.
How do I open this? A little bag.
Uh-huh.
How would you how in the there, figure out how to open a little bag.
Alright, let's see what we're gonna do with it.
That's how
Those look like push-on ones, right? Yep, because it's not a screw, like push-on ones. So let's go ahead and put it through the hole right here and put it through a hole that's right there. And that way, whenever we do it,
in here?
no, you gotta put it through this first. Put it through this, and then go ahead and put it through a hole. Like, see, there's a little hole right here. Put it through there, and then push on the back side right here. Keep pushing on it. Oh, it popped out. It went right to my hand.
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
It's different hold when you're holding two things that one.
Oh, it came with a couple of different ones too. So if that's the wrong size, there's like a smaller one right here.
Right
So
here?
that one might not fit, yeah. Yeah, that's the one, baby. Baby boy. Maybe that's the wrong size. Here.
It feels like it's too big.
Here, try this.
Come out.
Try that one.
This one?
No. Oh yeah, that's a smaller one, huh? Try that one right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Is this supposed to hold it?
And put it through the hole right there.
This one?
Yep. Let me see.
And you push it?
No, that's gotta be the wrong one too. Put that smaller one. Put that one.
This is the most smallest one? But what if the most smallest one is the most smallest one?
It's alright. Don't really matter.
Work!
Push it in there, bucko. Yeah, that's good.
Work!
See?
Ah,
Nice.
where's that key?
The key, did I put it in my pocket? I think I put it in my pocket. Yep.
Let's actually see if the key works. What key was it? I guess I'll use this one.
It goes the other way. Yep, you gotta open it that way. No, we gotta open it this way.
Oh! And then you gotta to put it back on.
You gotta lock it, yeah. Lock it.
No.
And now it won't open. See? Good to go.
Okay. Are you gonna do any other working?
Yeah, we gotta do the rest.
Alright. Who's holding this? Well, technically I have pockets with zippers, so I might. Do I actually? Oh yeah, I have a pocket with zipper right here, so I guess I'm just gonna put it in there. So it won't fall out.
Alright, let's see what we got up here. We gotta get these spark plugs out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then while we do that, I should drain the oil. So I'm basically gonna skip the boring stuff. I don't want it to get too boring. It's just basic maintenance. And then after that, if you're staying tuned, we got something later on that we're gonna do on the back of the truck. Some of you probably already know what it is. For those of you that don't, it'll be pretty cool. Well guys, today is the day. As you can see, it is a new day. The car has no check engine light on, besides the fact that it is extremely dirty. It's been sitting and it hasn't been ran in a little while. It's really happy probably with the full tune-up it has now. I imagine it's gonna pass smog with flying colors. We'll see what happens. Yeah.